Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be making leek stew with you. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cloves of grated garlic, 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. You can also use tomato sauce or diced tomatoes. 1 kilogram of leeks. I didn't use the leaves. 1 medium-sized potato. Three tablespoons of broken rice or regular rice. Hot water enough to cover the dish. Juice of half a lemon. 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's cook on medium heat until all the vegetables, especially the carrot, potato, and leek, are fully cooked. Enjoy your meal, everyone.